Hello ladies and gentlemen, this is your chef from Guru's Cooking.in with
High protein vegetarian salad. We'll prepare the dressing first, for which we'll grab a small bowl. To this we'll be adding in 1 tablespoon of extra virgin olive oil. Follow this with a dash of balsamic vinegar, a pinch of red chili powder and half a teaspoon of salt for seasoning. We'll add a handful of honey and follow this with a quarter teaspoon of Dijon mustard. Please make sure you don't add too much mustard because it is very bitter. And we'll be now adding in 2 tablespoons of mayonnaise. This mayo is egg base. Because it's a high protein diet and eggs are high on protein, I'm using egg base mayonnaise. In case you don't consume egg, you can also use veg mayonnaise available in the market. We'll churn all these ingredients together to prepare our amazing dressing and store this in the fridge. Keep it in the fridge for some time. In the meanwhile, grab a large bowl. To this we'll be adding in our vegetables. We'll start with lettuce. This is also called sim sim. You get a little dark version of this which is called lolo. Spread this nicely and add in the rest of the vegetables. Please make sure you have washed them before you add them. So we'll add in some English cucumber and Roma tomatoes. I also have with me fresh spring onions from my garden, and I'm adding the white bulb part after slicing them finely. Soya bean here has been added by keeping it in warm water for 10 minutes and then extracting it, squeezing and then adding it here. We'll add in freshly grated carrots, paneer and grapes. And finally the dressing on the top to prepare this amazing high protein vegetarian salad, which contains high protein of soya bean, high protein of paneer or cottage cheese, and high protein of egg based mayonnaise. Once you've added all these things together, mix it very nicely, and also remember, whenever you prepare any salad, the dressing should not be too much or in excess. Ladies and gentlemen, serve it right away, or you can also refrigerate this for half an hour and then serve it chilled. Thank you so much for watching high protein vegetarian salad on your channel Guru's Cooking. Take care.